from Chinese shopping sites without being scammed? Have you ever had the thought of ripping off things online? Well, I bet the answer is obvious. Some customers are gradually discovering that China's platform is much cheaper to buy things than the United States. To give you an example, here is a simple mug with the exact design that's worth $30, but in China only costs $4.35. But the overpriced shipping cost, as well as the fear of being scammed or after-sale concern, stopped us from the idea of purchasing products from China. Big move right here. As a dropshipper, you may also be having obstacle to find the right product you want, because there are some thousands of products for you to choose from. In today's video, I will present a full-on tutorial on how to buy from Chinese shopping sites. Both as an individual and a dropshipper, you may want to watch this video. Before starting your own journey of buying things from China platforms, without further ado, let's get started. Part 1. The difference between Aliexpress 1688 Taobao and Alibaba. Alibaba has 4 main websites under its umbrella: Alibaba.com and AliExpress in English, Taobao.com and 1688.com in Chinese, each with slightly different features. We are going to sort them out today. Alibaba's history is to help suppliers service their products globally and to provide buyers, many of whom are in the direct shipping businesses, with a variety of free tools to help them find the products they need quickly and efficiently at the lowest possible price. Currently, hundreds of millions of products are listed in over 40 categories on all 4 platforms, including apparel, consumer electronics, and machinery. The site is visited by buyers from more than 90 countries or regions each year. AliExpress is Alibaba's cross-border e-commerce platform for the international market, known by the majority of sellers as the international version of Taobao. AliExpress and Taobao are mainly for customer-facing retail platforms. Although there are wholesale suppliers among them, it's just the minority. On the other hand, 1688 and Alibaba are the 2 platforms more suitable for wholesale search and dropshipping supplier search, since the priority of the store there is to find the business opportunities. The main difference between Alibaba 1688 and AliExpress Taobao is that the former specialize in B2B wholesale transactions directly from manufacturers, while the latter is also open to consumers and sell individual items or products in small quantities. To give a more intuitive understanding, here is a chart I made explaining the differences. AliExpress has a history of offering cheaper products than Amazon and other similar sites because products are made in and shipped directly from China. Shipping from AliExpress is usually very inexpensive or free. That they provide a shipping service that's called AliExpress Standard Shipping, although this is worthless as it can take up to a month for items to arrive. Part 2. Ways to buy stuff from China platform. Whether you are an individual buyer or dropshipper, there are some common rules you can follow. To make a purchase on these platforms, I will do a demonstration at the end of this video. Please keep watching. There are countless products on these sites for customers to choose from. The main purpose of this tutorial is to teach you how to make the right selection and not get fraud on poor quality ones. I may also mention it is not suggested to buy big brands on these platforms like Apple or Gucci. Big companies like them have their own markets. They have different pricing and sales strategies for different countries. Even though they are made in China, but you won't get a good price for buying them in quantity, and also you will get a very high risk of being scammed. For dropshippers, I have brought this point up on our previous video, 8 points working with Chinese supplier. Go check it out and if you are interested. As for buyers who purchase with their personal interest, it is also crucial for you to understand, since it's international trading, it's almost impossible for you to return the item. For most of the case, a part of the refund. Point 1. Web translating. If you choose Taobao and 1688 for your shopping, the first obstacle is a language problem. You can use Google's web translation feature to fully translate the websites, although the quality of the translation is not so satisfactory, so to say, but at least it can facilitate a general understanding. It provides official language selection for the web UI, but it won't translate names or details of the products. Point 2. Use Chinese for keyword searching when searching for products on these two websites based in China. Remember to always use Chinese keywords for your search. For example, paste 贴纸 instead of stickers for all-inclusive options. 1688 and Taobao do not target foreign customers, so the results of English searching can be limited. Vice versa, the same situation goes for Amazon. Point 3. Search products with images. A feature well appreciated eyes on those websites is image searching. If you were struggled by translating and couldn't find the right product, just search its image. Mark down its keywords in Mandarin after you are done searching for letter ease. Point 4. Using Wechat. If you are looking for a longer-term cooperation with one supplier, communicating via Wechat would be a definite choice. Customer service within the platform can be delayed and not efficient. However, the Chinese use Wechat to communication almost 24/7. You can find them and initiate conversation via Wechat much more efficiently. Point 5. Verify suppliers. There are two types of suppliers on Alibaba. One is gold and the other is verified. It is definitely suggested to go choose a verified supplier if you want to ensure the product. It is considered a higher rank in comparison to the gold rank. In order to get this badge, they will have to go through a third-party audit and also need to pay at least $10,000 per year to maintain this verification. The same rule goes for other platforms as well, although the hierarchy is different. Choose those stores have opened for years, detailed on our previous video, 8 points working with Chinese suppliers. You know what I'm about to say. Those are the main elements you should look out for when purchasing on a Chinese platform. As I have suggested before, to get all these troubles out of your way, you can always go find a sourcing agent for help. As for individual buyers, you can go looking for a shopping agent. Such service can be provided at Superbay, Superbuy, or WeGoBuy.
Alright guys, this is a video demonstration. I will take 1688 as an example. First of all, we should use the feature Google provided to translate this website. Simple as that. Then let's head to the registration part. Put your username down, then your password. Then put your phone number down. I won't go through the whole process of registration. Now let's go to the searching part. As a first step, translate this website. So let's see if you are looking for a pair of comfortable indoorsy slippers. What should you do to make the purchase? First, let's try searching with the word slipper. As you can see, the result was merely 39 pages. But if you put the Mandarin wholesale into a searching bar, it'll come out with 50 pages. Now let's give image search a try. I drag this picture to the search bar, and voila, it will show the results of all similar products.